So the first thing I'm going to do is I've already moisturized my face, and whenever I'm doing a really quick minimal makeup, I rarely use primer. Sometimes I'll just spray a little bit of like a setting spray on my face. Today I'm using the Quick Fix from Urban Decay. This just smells so good. So first I go in with concealer. I'm using 2 concealers today. I pretty much always mix these two, the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I have the shade Light Ivory in the Wet n Wild and Fair Neutral in the Tarte one. I only mix these because the Wet n Wild one is just too dark. Whenever I'm doing a very minimal look, I don't want a concealer that's too much lighter than like my natural skin. I try to really match it to my skin. So under my eyes, I'll mix the two so to brighten, and then on my lids a little bit. And then if I need to put any concealer like around my nose or any redness, then I will just use this darker one, which pretty much matches my skin tone. A little bit of the Tarte one. I'm using just a damp sponge to blend it all out really quick. Alright, so I'm going to set it with some powder just really quick. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus Pressed Powder in Warm Light. And I'm just going to take that same sponge to set this under my eyes. And also I just disperse this onto my lids. I'm going to take a powder brush just to dust this over the rest of my face. Of course, powder is completely optional with this look if you have drier skin. And I like to just take some tinted brow gel. I'm using the UltaBeauty Brow Tint in the shade Medium. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just take a couple of shadows for my eyelids. This is completely optional. You don't have to do eyeshadow. I like to just do it really quick, especially if I have the time. So I'm taking kind of just a medium toned brown shade. I'm using the shade Riff from the Urban Decay Nocturnal shadow box, but any just like medium crease shade works. Putting this right through my crease. I'm going to take a smaller brush, a smaller, flatter, just like a smudge brush. Take a darker brown shade. I'm using the shade Delete. Put this right under my lower lash line, just about halfway across. I'm also going to take that same Delete shade, put it on the same fluffy brush, tap off most of it, and just run a little bit of this through my crease. I'm taking a light shimmery shade. I'm going to use the shade Half Baked, which is this kind of light, goldy, just reflective gold shade. I'm just taking this on my finger, putting it right on the center of my lid. Alright, that's all for the eyeshadow. It was super quick. I'm going to add a little bit of blush. It's completely optional. I'm using this big fluffy brush. I've been liking this big fluffy powder brush from Wet n Wild for my blush lately. And I'm using the Milani Tea Rose blush. You can also add some highlighter on the tops of your cheekbones if you want to. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the SunDipped one. I'm using the shade Moonstone. This bottom one right here. I'm going to take just a little bit of this on my nose, Cupid's bow. Take a little bit on my finger, put it on the inner corner of my eye, both eyes, and right up on my brow bone. Alright, that's all the powder products. I'm going to use a little bit of a setting spray. I'm going to use this Dewy setting spray from Ulta. Alright, and then just add some mascara. I'm using the Wet n Wild Lash-O-Matic mascara. I love this stuff. Alright, last is just some lip gloss. I'm using the volumizing plumping serum from Hard Candy. This is the shade Cakewalk. It's just a nice sheer pink. Alright, and there is the completed look. This is super quick, super easy to do. Of course, you can even cut out some of these steps. You can cut out the blush, highlight. You can leave off the eyeshadow, whatever steps you want to cut out. That's just how I do it because I find this to be really quick and easy to do. And these products, all the products that I used, I basically just have sitting out right beside like my mirror anyway, and I can just grab them all and do this really quick. That completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. I have Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Periscope. All the links will, of course, be in the description box. Really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe. Make sure you turn on the little bell so you get notifications for when I upload, because I will be uploading another video probably in about probably next week sometime. I'll be uploading another video, and it's going to be a tag video, so I'll be answering a bunch of questions. So I really hope that you stick around for that video. Please give this a thumbs up and make sure you come back, and I'll see you next time. Bye!